Travel with me to Mauritius. Welcome to day 1 of my Mauritius travel vlog. The adventure started before we even landed with the stunning sunrise view over the island. As soon as we collected our bags, we hopped into our transfer bus and hit that road. The drive was incredibly scenic. We got a clear view of Pieter Both Mountain, the second highest peak on the island. It is named after a 17th century governor and is famous for that massive balancing rock perched right at the summit, which actually resembles a human head. We finally arrived at our home for the trip, the Westin Turtle Bay Resort and Spa. Located in the historic Balaclava area right next to a marine park, the open-air lobby offers a breathtaking view of the water. Walking through the lush grounds was the perfect welcome. Next up is the room tour. Now, the space is so welcoming, featuring one of the resort's signature heavenly beds and sliding doors leading out to an ocean view patio. But my favorite part has to be the bathroom. It has a huge bathtub, a beautiful glass shower, and even a private outdoor shower surrounded by stone walls. After settling in, it was time to explore the seaside. The beach is lined with striking dark volcanic rocks that look amazing against the water. I spent my time relaxing in the beach swings and walking out along the wooden pier. I even made a little feathered friend before catching a lovely sunset. And that wraps up an amazing first day in Mauritius. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures every week.